Show you the flowers here. I think this is gumamela. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna show you some different kinds of flowers here. This is another one. I think this is part of, oh, I don't know if this is bougainvillea, but isn't that nice? It's a very light color there. Right there. What else? Oh, I think there's a bird sanctuary here. That's a bird sanctuary. We're just outside a bird sanctuary. Can you hear those guys? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think the owner of this village owns that. Oh my god. I want to go inside that. I wonder how much is the entrance there. Can you hear that, guys? Meow. Can you climb up that? Can you climb up there? But listen to all that sounds. Wow. Oh. Absolutely, that is a bird sanctuary. Different kinds of, absolutely. 101% sure that's a bird sanctuary. Look at all the trees there. Oh, let's go in here. Oh, here's a gate here. Oh, but it's closed too. Oh, wow. You'd wonder what's behind this tall gate. There's definitely a lot of animals there. Birds. Wow. Look at that house. Are we in a forest here? I think this is a forest. Oh, I'm gonna go here because I saw a different kind of flower too. This yellow flower here, guys. See this yellow flower? There. See that, guys? Nice, eh? All colors, you can find it here in the Philippines. Different kinds of flowers. Oh, let's go near that gate. Whatever. There's more sounds here. I wonder what's in there. You can't see.
You can. Here.
Yeah, but you can't. Oh, the sheep. Oh yeah, look at this. I can see those birds. And there's ducks in there too. Oh. Where is it? I saw someone move.
The duck is gone.
Yeah, our battery is almost done, but I'll be recording most of it though. Yeah. Woo, woo. We don't know. We can't go further now. So just turn around. Yeah, the gate is so tall. The fence is so tall, so we can't really see what. Aww. There's also
I'll go get a ladder.
ducks. No, are you kidding? I'm gonna get a ladder. Okay, we're gonna go. Where did we go? Oh yeah, we're going this way now. We're gonna try our way back to the house. If I see more flowers and we still have the battery for it, I'll try to focus on it. Those kinds of flowers. I think we're taking the long route now. gonna run out of battery pretty soon. It's blinking now. And we're still walking towards the house now. Are you coming? Did we go this way? This is another one, right? We're taking the long route. Uh-oh. Ayan, meron pa. There's more flowers I saw here. I don't know which one is this. Look at this, guys. What kind of flowers are that? See that, guys? It's too far to focus. It's too high. I can't reach it. Right there. There. What kind of flower is this? See? There. It's too bright. Wow. We're taking the long route again. We still have battery anyways. Hubby, let's go. You're silly. Oh, and this one here, guys, I saw this. This is our favorite. When we were kids, we tried to pull that thing right in the middle, that like kind of tiny stem there, and we taste it. It's kind of sweet. We call this santan. See, there's this kind of orangey santan, and we have this yellow santan. There. Yeah. That I remember when we were kids. We were always picking sunflowers and then tasting it, because the sap is so sweet. There's white. I don't know if this is sampaguita. Jasmine. I'm not sure. Of course, I'm not allowed to pick any flowers. That's not nice. That's against the law. Just taking a video of it. Look at all the tropical plants here too. More vacant lots. Is this where you're gonna...
There's the ladder.
Oh, yeah, right. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Is this where we're gonna build our house? Oh, there's a bird here. That's not an ordinary Maya bird or the sparrow bird. It's longer. It landed here. I was not able to get it. Yeah. Get past here. There's bonsai here. Look at this bonsai garden here, guys. We're just passing through. We're just passing by. It's nice bonsai plant, I think. No, it's more like an aloe vera. More like an aloe vera plant. Yeah, there's the aloe vera. You've got that in Canada. Right, guys? Right there. Oh, there's the jasmine. This is what we call the jasmine. It's the sampaguita. Yeah, that's the sampaguita. Our national flower is sampaguita. Yeah. Okay, we go this way out here. Oh, what is that? Whew. There was a cobweb. I can't believe it's still blinking, but it's still on. It's got a long life here. See? It's been blinking for 5 minutes already. Yeah. I see another kind of flower here. This kind, guys. I saw another one right here. Right here. Right there. Wow. See all the flowers we get in the Philippines. See that? Orange one. Nice, eh? Nice. Where did he go? Where did hubby go? See that orange one? I did it already. Yeah, I got that one. Hey, 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 hey. No, you're not allowed. Where's that big dog, guys? It's still blinking. Oh, look at that one. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, puppy dog. Hi.
Pomeranian.
Hello.
He's so cute.
No touchy. Oh, no.
Oh, no, that's okay.
Hindi, baka, ano, bawal hawakan. Ilan taon na? Ilan taon na?
Magpo 1 year pa lang sa ano, Febra.
Babae? Oh, so cute.
So cute.
Ang pangalan?
You're so cute here.
Peeper.
Peeper? Peeper?
Yeah.
Peeper?
Peeper.
Peeper?
You know your name, don't you, Peeper? Peeper.
It's a female one. Hello, Peeper.
So cute. Oh my God.
Oh, it's a baby one.
He is priceless, eh?
Yeah, I know. Be careful. Guapo will smell you. Thank you.
Thank you.
What else?
That's a cute little dog.
What flower?
What flowers? I don't
There's
know.
more flower here.
Oh,
So
probably.
far, so good. I got bougainvillea, santan, jasmine. There's so much.
Like a square lanterns now.
Square lanterns? Oh yeah, look at that square lantern.
Yeah. We should come out at night
Nice.
for a walk at night when they're on.
Oh yeah.
We should do that. Oh, there's the other dog down there.
But then it's not nice to video at night.
No.
It won't give justice to
Well,
the
then just take
scenery.
Pictures. Just take the odd picture then. Maybe not.
Yeah.
You probably won't go. Oh, ADT, look at this.
ADT. Yeah. That's yours. Hey. Nothing. Oh, this one's all lots of flowers up there. Not flowers, but plants. We go left turn now, I think. Right? Yeah, left turn. Going back home. There any more variety of flowers? Oh, I think I see another one. Just be careful, there's no dog in here. I'll just be careful, there's no dog in here. There's one here again. Guys, I saw another plant. It's right here.
Right, yeah.
Right there. Wow. Look at that, guys. Oh, it's more like an orchid now. This is an orchid, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. See, guys?
Cool.
Pretty cool, huh? Nice. Yeah, that's an orchid.
And there's a...
That's an orchid. That's not a nest. Silly. Those are ferns. I know what a nest is.
Oh, okay. Couldn't
Yeah,
fool-
that
I couldn't
is.
fool you, eh?
Yeah, that is a very nice orchid. I can't believe it. It's still blinking.
I'm going to tell everybody.
No. Oh.
That's a nest. You should see the bees that fly into that thing.
Ah.
I'm going to snow them.
I think there's another one.
Another one?
I found another one, guys. Look at this. What do you call this? Flowers. It's yellow. It's more like of a fern. See that? Wow. I'm seeing a lot of flowers. Oh, look at this one. What kind of flower is that? Hang on, guys. I'm gonna give it a close-up. There. Oh, I'm shaking again. Sorry, guys. It's kind of shaky again. But look at that. Wow. It's like a feathery one. Too bad I can't reach it. Wow. Wow. Okay, turn around. We're gonna turn left now. We're heading home. Is this our road? We don't even know where we're gonna go. You can take a picture of me. Can you take a picture of me? I'll just pretend that's my house. Here. Oh, I saw another one here. I saw another nice flower. It's right here. Wow, look at that. Wow, this one is really nice. Wow, look at that, guys. Nice. Very beautiful. Ooh, I wish I know all their names. Nice flowers.
Now we can go this way.
Which
Or we
way?
can go this way.
That way? Or that way? Okay, we go the longer way.
This will be the longer way.
Okay. Is that too long to walk?